Yo, what's up guys? It's Kylie. So for today's video, we will talk about MIBF season because it's September and it's MIBF season. So, what is MIBF? MIBF means Manila International Book Fair, and it is the biggest and longest running book fair in the Philippines. MIBF happens once a year every September to SMX Convention Center in Pasay near Mall of Asia. There are different local and foreign book publishers, multimedia companies, printing companies, and booksellers like National Bookstores, Viva Publishing Company, Psycom, Precious Pages, and etc. So now, I'm going to tell you some tips and things to do for MIBF season. Number 1, ready your money. Budget your money before going to MIBF. Because there are plenty of books, plenty of publishers, booksellers that you will see in the venue. And if you were a bookworm like me who spent a lot of money for books, well then you should be ready to spend a lot of money too. Because when you are there, you can't stop yourself from grabbing books that you like. So you should have a budget for books that you... Number 2, get comfy clothes, especially when you are going there on weekends, because there are a lot of people, especially when it's non-working day. I know some of the participants are teachers and students, so you should wear clothes where you can easily move and it's comfortable for you. Number 3, have a list of books that you are planning to buy, because book shopping spree is fun but overspending your money isn't. Help yourself stay within the budget and don't be like buyers who just grab the book and pay for it. You need to stay on a plan or stay on your list of books that you will buy. Number 4, bring tote bags or eco bags to help you carry your book purchases. Because some booksellers in the venue, they don't have tote bags or eco bag. They just put the books that you will buy in a plastic bag or a paper bag. So today is Sunday and it's September 15, 2019. I'm going to share with you the books that I bought yesterday in MIBF, September 14, 2019. So I have 3 books and this is 3 books. So this is worth 1K, I think. Its title is The Broken Man's Affliction, Book 1. I didn't have the book 2 because they say it's sold out, so I just bought the book 1. And The Broken Soul's Plea, Book 1 and 2. So, yeah. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!